we have a biker's video. We're going to be making sure that we are paying attention on these rides so we can learn from their mistakes and their wins. So a little bit too fast. We found a side of the vehicle right there. We went to the side of the vehicle. Not very good. Let's go back just a little bit. That was a crazy crash. So we're going pretty fast, hanging out with our buddies. They slow it down, and then we were going to go around this corner trying to go a little bit wide, and we found an escape path, but then we start the low side. Why did we low side? I think it's because we did terrible rear brake. So remember, we got to progressively brake on this. We got to go squeeze, 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 and then find that escape path. Remember, escape paths could be anything, but the escape path could easily just be right here. Okay, I understand in this situation, possibly couldn't do it, but the thing is we shouldn't be going this fast because now we're going to impact another vehicle and we're going to get hurt. Okay, so our body could have easily went under that rear tire, and we're lucky that we did not die in that situation. So it's always good to practice, practice, practice. Make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. So ESOM, here we go. Are we going to get into our lane? No, but are we paying attention? Good job on the escape path. Good job on the escape path. Good job on the escape path. Got himself out of that situation. Holy crap. So Antonia Curcio. All right, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Good job with the progressive braking, but you did a terrible job with your planning. Terrible. You should have been positioned for safety, located that hazard. All right, so we're going to be passing these people. Okay, it's a double yellow. That's fine. Slow it down before this turn coming up ahead. And did we do that? No, we did not. We're going to go a little bit wide. Next time, film it a little bit better. Don't use a potato. But, yeah, you know, you slowed down. You did fine. Just make sure you become a smart rider and seek and recognize that that was a hazardous situation. You probably shouldn't have done that. Should have slowed it down. I get it. We're on motorcycles having a great time, and we want to continue, but we got to be safe too. So just like these guys, we're just going hauling ass. He's not even using a rock form mount. What the heck is going on? His phone's going to go flying. Come on. Ooh, is he going to save it? Is he going to save it? Oh my gosh, there's so much poop coming out of him. He's so scared. His phone flew off. His phone flew off. What did I just say? What did I just say? Get yourself a rock form mount so you don't have that situation if you can save it. Now he just lost his phone. That's like $1,000, right, Jacob? All right, here we go. Rodriguez's 011. Here we go. Moving on. People are kind of in our way. We're getting boxed in. We hit our mirror. That was a close call. That could have been your kneecap. Go ahead and screw it back on. You're good. All right, moving. Ooh, going a little too fast here. Do not recommend doing this. Please don't do this. Okay, sides. Oh, we're moving, merging. Escape pass, and then he's pissed off at them. Guys,
what the hell was that, bro?
That was you speeding.
That is unacceptable, shit. I swear to God, that is unacceptable.
That was unacceptable? What the car did? What the car did was unacceptable. No. No.
I swear to God, that is unacceptable.
All right, moving through here. Chill rider. Just got impacted on the right hand. Mechanism injury is going to be right hand. Possible injuries, maybe right knee, because her knees kind of stick out a little bit. Be very, very, very careful with that. Got lucky. So the lane is ending, so we got to merge over. So slow it down a little bit. We got a big stack of vehicles. Watch out. They might want to come into our lane, and there it is. Big stack of vehicles, big open lane. They're going to want to merge in, just like what you would do in that kind of situation. You want to just get in front. A lot of people are impatient. Got to get ourselves out of that situation. Did a great job with the progressive brake pressure. Terrible job with the punching of the freaking mirror. Come on, man. Come on. Don't do that. All right, so it's GCAS 90. Weird, interesting name, but that's fine. Sharp left turn coming up ahead. We do have a crest of the hill. We're going to go ahead and adjust ourselves. That was a great job planning. We positioned and located and just adapted. We just adapted. That's all we had to do. So Fred Neva, here we go, coming through here. Got an uncommon thing. That guy was in our lane. That guy's in our lane too. Woo! Good job with the plan. We positioned for safety, so we didn't really do anything other than move over. Did a good job. Right, Nicholas Spalding with a 499. Oh, we hit a vehicle. Ay. What are you doing? Don't know what you're saying, but that's all cool. What he's saying was that you're an idiot driver. I don't know. That was just me. So, Diwash Shrestha. I think I did a YouTube short just recently on this one. There's going to be a vehicle that's coming out, and he's going to go do a nice little swerve, handle that situation. Didn't plan the best because that should have been an orange stage situation, but did what they had to do. Crest of the hill, watch out. What's on the other side? Don't know. Well, it's our buddy crashing. Do we have what we have, or do we have what we need to rescue him? Only if he's bleeding out of his leg, because there's a stick that just went right into it and impaled him, and he's bleeding out. Could you do what you need to do to save his life? Same thing here. We never know. We never know. Let's see. Hopefully nobody crashes and gets hurt. Just kidding. This video is about crashing. Let's see. No, any impales? Anything getting hurt? Broken bones? No? Okay, good. High vis everything. Okay, he's being super safe. Super duper high vis. Oh, our other buddy. I want that suit. I want that suit. I want that suit. Give me that suit. Anyways, moving on. Okay, we're riding with our friends. Ooh, lost a little traction. Sometimes that happens. A little bit of throttle, maybe just a little bit of gravel, whatever. It gained it right back. So it must have been something on the road, because there's no reason why. Okay, moving on. Anyways, here we go. We're a little fast in an area that I would not be going fast in, because this is a parking lot. Did we just hit a curb that we couldn't see in time? Quite possibly. Now we're laughing a little bit. So if you want to learn how to rescue a rider, we do have a booklet. It's a really cool book. It has everything in there that you're going to need to rescue somebody. Okay, so just too salty. Ooh, got impacted in the butt by a Volvo. Or no, an Audi. So tries to drive away. We got your license plate. We got your license plate.
No, you say that.
Yeah, no. We got it. We got it. We got you now. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I'm okay. Now, oh, he only cares about his car. Well, I guess. I mean, that way you can see what kind of damage it is. The Audi runs off in this one. What a turd. All right. A little bit too much power. A little bit of a power wheelie. Having some drag racing fun. At least they're doing it into a safe area. So I will give them the Smart Rider seal of approval on this one, because they're not going to hurt anybody else other than themselves. So SA biker guy, here we go. What's going on? Oh, I've seen some levers go inside people's legs, so be very careful with that. You could break a leg. So they're probably talking on their cardos. I would. I do.
Sorry, bro.
So right here, I'd be worried about my left leg. He's kind of pinned underneath. There's not a lot of armor with these types of pants, but boots are pretty stiff on these kinds of. Okay, so that's good. So Vito, the rider, lost his phone, and we got a merger. Okay, typical merger. Just go ahead and adapt to move it over a little bit more. Now remember, if you're brand new to this, this is just kind of scary that things are happening, like left and right, left and right, left and right. So just don't worry too much when it comes to a lot of these things. You know how to handle it, okay?